Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the stinky sock smell coming from the vents when you turn on your Honda Fit's air conditioning or defroster. I'm going to be using this Frost King foaming evaporator cleaner and a spray straw I borrowed from another aerosol can. So we're going to try to access the evaporator coil in this car through what's called the blower motor resistor. This panel and the passenger side floorboard just pulls off. Has 1, 2, 3 clips, and then it has 2 pegs that go into these. Then you're going to want to go to the left-hand side of the footwell, and you have this right here. There's a press button on the top, and you'll hear it click when you press it. Then it'll pull out. So I'm pressing right up here. And then you can probably take both of them out with a nice stubby screwdriver, but I found it's easier to take out the bottom one with the stubby screwdriver. And then the top one, I go right through this gap, and then it's hard to see, but let's see if I can, yeah, so you go right through that gap onto that screw. Resistor unit comes right out. You want to leave this unplugged when it's not in the airflow, because it can get too hot and burn out the resistor. But the idea is that we want to stick the foam straw that way, because the evaporator is right in this section. It goes all the way across to the other side, and here's the drain line for it. So once you have this opened up, your blower is only going to work on high, but you're going to spray in here until it backs up. You'll hear more and more air start coming out, and then you'll see the foam front, and then you're going to probably want to turn off the blower and let it sit for a while. See the back side of the evaporator. So I have the blower on high. I'm holding the straw because it likes to shoot out. Basically, you just fill it. You can actually hear more and more air coming out of the hole. And that's it goes the foam. Close it with your hand once it backs up too much. And I just want to show you the coverage. So I have the blower box loose. You don't need to, but I was exploring the best way to do this. So you can see that there is a wall of foam on that condenser. With the blower on, you should be able to tell if the foam's making it through the evaporator if you can see it dripping right around the sway bar from the evaporator drain. It's probably best if you repeat the process. After you wait 10 minutes and the foam dissipates a little, refill it with foam and then let it sit again, and then put it all together and run the AC until the foam stops dripping. So now we're putting it back together. The tab was on top. Putting the resistor back in. Not a very good view. Screws are started. Do the top one first because it seems to be the easier one to reach. Resistors in there. The connector just slides in. You'll hear it click. Next, you're going to want your belly pan or your kick pan. I don't know. You slide the tabs into their homes. And you lift up. You want to line up this tab, that hole, and then on this side, you want to line up that tab with that hole. Apparently, there we go. And the middle tab should clip in. So now the belly panel's on, and now my vents smell lemon fresh. So, right here is the evap drain tube. So, I'm going to try sticking the straw way up there. Pumping it right full of foam. See if I got. I just pumped it all in from the drain tube. Is there any evidence of it in here? There is. Pushed it right through